Hello?
Bring the cash. I sent you the details. Don't be late.
We meet by my rules. 3:30. Don't be late. Behind the clock tower. Ban the cash. Bring the cash. Heads or tails? Heads. That's good. Got the key?
Alright, we got him. My boss will send you instructions. Have a good one, sir.
Thank you. guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also share this video with some of your friends. The content's gonna keep on getting better and better on this channel. I am so excited to now have a truck on the channel. We're gonna off-road with this car, we're gonna upgrade this car, we're gonna use it how it is meant to be used. And I am so excited to use this how it's meant to be used. This thing is such a phenomenal machine. Like I learned with the Shelby, this thing is so great. The Shelby's so amazing on the track, and I really never knew it would have that much capability. So I cannot wait to share my experiences and find out how good this truck is, because I know Ford Performance did a fantastic job engineering this thing. So like I said, we got many upgrades coming to it. Make sure you guys please smash that subscribe button. Share it with some of your friends. Tell them, hey, come subscribe to Nanu Garage's channel. You got super dope content. We're also doing a giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers. I'll have more detail of that in one of the next videos, so I cannot wait to announce that. So now we got a CTSV, GT350, and Ford Raptor, not in any ordinary garage. This is in Nanu's garage. So tell all your friends, Nanu Garage, that's the garage. And make sure they all subscribe to my channel. So just like that, I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for so much content with this car, the GT350, the CTSV. If you want to see anything in the channel, let me know down below in the comment section. I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the next video.